Reno Omokri don dey go mad o. Every time na Peter Obi on the Igbo general. Reno Omokri don dey go mad o. Gradually, people go think say na play. This guy madness now don pass psyche o. May una advise am, even if family no dey shame for am.
Let him take me to court. Nothing he is wearing is of Nigerian origin. Nothing. That is not of Nigerian origin. That is a European winter cap that the colonialists were using. It is true. It is the truth. No, it is the truth. That is a winter cap. It is not of Igbo origin. It's a winter cap. This thing that is wearing, the reason why they call it Etibo, even my people Shekiri, they wear it. I don't wear it because it is actually a sailor's uniform. The reason why they call it Etibo is because it was sold for 8 bones. 8 bones is an old currency, so they could not pronounce 8 bones. That's why they call it Etibo. It's not of Nigerian origin. These stores are not of Nigerian origin. And this rapper, all this rapper, they call them George. The reason why they call them George is because during the coronation of King George, the colonial government gave Nigerian women George, and that's why they started to wear it. It comes from Holland, and then the cheaper one comes from India. But they just make you think that it's Nigeria. It's not made in Nigeria. Asha has